Shirley and I are in Ubud in Bali, in a forest, having a walk and bumping into a lot of members of the family, that has to be said. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on? I haven't had any rabies shots, so I don't know if that's important at this moment. Oh, hey! That's good. Yeah, hang on. We got one here. Hang on a minute. Still. Wait a minute. Yep, I got it. Yep, hang on. Wait.
Man.
Wait a minute.
Man, I really can't.
This fabric. Where'd you get it?
Here we come, walking down the street. We get the funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We go where we want to, do what we like to do. We don't have time to get restless, there's always something new. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We're just trying to be friendly, come and watch us sing and play. We're the young generation, and we've got something to say. Oh. Anytime or anywhere, just look over your shoulder, guess who'll be standing there? Hey, hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down.
It's okay, it's okay.